Hi there, Team YouTube. My name is Malcolm. I'm one of the SEO specialists here at ProLemon. In this quick video, I'll be going through with you the third part of Google Search Console, which is mainly your experience or UI UX of your website. So we're going through what is page experience, what is core web vitals, mobile usability, and HTTPS right here. In this little video here, we changed the URL mainly because I just wanted to show you raw data and how this raw data can influence changes on your website. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is navigate to Google Search Console right here, as we've already done, and click on your project right here. We've already clicked on a project, and you want to scroll down to experience right here. So we have a video covering these two, all of these. Now we are creating one for page experience. So if you click on page experience under experience, this is the page that you would see. Of course, it'll be a little different for your website depending on how big it is and how it's set up. So this is practically Google's overall core web vitals. But if you click on it, we'll chat a little bit more about that. And just now, as soon as this loads, it practically just tells you in hindsight how your website is performing. So you see no need for improver on mobile. It just gives you a score, and as well as a desktop and as HTTPS. So it's just like almost an overview of your website. But where the meat lies is here, right here. So you want to click on Core Web Vitals. And if you click there, it's the same URL that we had opened here before. So that one's specific for the mobile. So this is mobile, and then there's desktop right here. So from right here, got it. You want to see core URLs. So this will show you a result for URLs right here. And then you see they need improvement. So they're not as good as yet, but they need improvement. It's really good to see these reports and see each and every single URL so that you can see how you can improve it. What's great about Google, it always tells you, listen, if you do it this way, you're able to be improving in that. So you always want to click on open report, as you can see here. We did that, and this is for mobile, and it will tell you the literal issues that you need to fix, like such as CLS issue, LCP issue, and so on. So really important. And right, if you wanna click right below, this is would be your desktop as well. Okay, so as you can see here, it's really doing well. We have good URLs, which is great. So mobile usability. For user experience, your website has to be mobile friendly for Google to even think about ranking you high up in the search engine results. So as you can see here, this is usability. So it sort of tells you that, hey, listen, these sites or these pages on your website are not usable. And what's great about Google, as I always mention, it tells you why. Why these clickable elements are too close to each other. Content is wider than the screen. So now if a person is on the website, they can literally scroll from left to right, which is an absolute no. As you can see, we're running well. And then of course something happened, but we are rectifying that as we speak. So this is a really good insight for your website so you can see the issues and fix that. Okay. So another thing for UI UX or user experience as a whole is HTTPS. So this is towards the security of your website. So you want to make sure that all the pages on your website are linked to a HTTPS URL and not a HTTP URL. And it will tell you right here. And if there's any issues, Google will then tell you right below. All right, so that's just a quick introduction to user experience. I hope you gained something. If you did, please leave a like or comment on what YouTube video you'd like us to create next. And in the next video, we'll be highlighting shopping, FAQs, and the rest below. You have a lovely day. Please feel free to visit us at ProLemon give us a click or a like at our socials, and we'll see you soon. Ciao.